Mile2 Cybersecurity Certifications introduces you to the Certified Cloud Security Officer course. This advanced 400-level course is part of the Cloud Security and Virtualization career path, perfect for professionals seeking careers in virtualization and cloud administration, auditing, and compliance. The course focuses on cloud security from a real-world point of view and offers hands-on labs in practical situations via our exclusive cyber range. As with all Mile2 courses, the CCSO certification carries impressive accreditations, and the exam is administered through our SCORM-compliant Max Learning Management System. The CCSO course contains 15 lessons, 23 labs, and 40 continuing education units, and is available as a live class or as part of our Ultimate Self-Study combo. Take the next step in your InfoSec career with the Certified Cloud Security Officer course and exam offerings from Mile2.